What if I told you that you can get beautiful cucumbers like the ones you see before you from a very small plant in a very small container? Typically, a lot of your outdoor cucumber varieties are made to go in larger containers if you're doing container gardening, and some, such as Sweet Success, can easily produce 20-foot long vines. So if I were to tell you that all the cucumbers I just showed you came off a very tiny vine, while you may not get, say 12 to 36 cucumbers off one plant, the quick snack variety is one that is going to provide you enough for things such as a cucumber salad, or to have sliced cucumbers and dip, anything that you might use on a fresh basis. One of the benefits of being able to use hydroponics and smaller containers is that you will end up with cucumbers in less time than normal. It's been 90 days, and from seed, I have been picking cucumbers for a while now. So you can tell from that, with all the cucumbers I've been picking already in 90 days, that it is producing faster than outdoors with larger vines, which oftentimes take at least 96 days to start producing cucumbers. Cucumber plants are primarily heavy drinkers of water, and keeping up with the water demands is going to be one of the things that you'll want to keep in mind. That I have fed through a 1/4-inch tube, which goes to a reservoir and feeds down using gravity feed principle for those Hudson valves to keep the water level stable. Most hydroponic nutrients will suffice. There are some hydroponic nutrients that are specific for cucumber plants, but the Foliage Pro is a 9:3:6 macro ratio, and it has been doing quite well for me for my indoor plants. And I use it as a general purpose nutrient because it matches a lot of the leaf measurements, from scientists that look at how macronutrients are absorbed and used and in what ratios. And while I've used lights that are around 100 watts for a 2-foot by 2-foot grow area, the LED lights that I'm using over the cucumber plant that you see here are 40 watts. All plants and grow to maturity and then start to taper off over the course of their life. And the vines that you see here are a little bit ragged looking. And I did have an opportunity to take a cutting and clone using a rooting technique and make another plant. And that has been very successful for me. I did not choose to do that with this plant. Just in case you were to think that I lined these cucumbers up from a different source and they're not actually being grown on that tiny vine, let's quickly take a look. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 of those nice sized cucumbers are attached to that. So should you be looking for a variety of cucumber that you could easily put into a small container for indoors, the quick snack variety is certainly one that's hard to beat.